Today on One Text Junk, I will be tearing down, cleaning, benchmarking, and updating this 2009 Gateway Model DX4822 TAC01 PC, courtesy of a generous donation by a one Bob Anderson. Thanks, Bob. Now, just the mention of a Gateway PC always triggers happy memories of a bygone era of playing Rebel Assault as a kid at my stepfather's ranch, blasting TIE fighters with a terrible beige joystick, those horrible polygon graphics rendered from an overworked integrated GPU. Star Wars rail shooters and games like Wing Commander and Chuck Yeager's Air Combat helped me cope with the rural environment I existed in and kept me satiated in the land of gaming. Fast forward to 2019 and one might ask, whatever happened to Gateway? That charming little startup from Iowa with the black and white Holstein cow boxes. Well, in 2007 they got bought out by Acer, and Acer continued producing PCs under the Gateway brand until late 2014. After that, Acer shelved the brand for their Aspire lineup, and the lovable, thrice-changed Gateway logo has been gone ever since. Who knows if it'll ever return? I don't. It's not like Gateway PCs were revolutionary or anything. Gateway PCs were never top-of-the-line machines. They sat middle of the pack in hardware and software, and almost never offered features unavailable to competitors. They were a budget home PC brand for surfing the web and checking email and things. You know, those things you do with your phone now. It's no wonder the idea of the home PC vanished along with Gateway's core customer base, as their buyout from Acer prevented the brand from ever branching into the mobile market. Sure, Acer has its own budget tablet with the Iconia 1, and even a smartphone called Liquid Z. But how much more charming would those offerings be with a Gateway logo? Okay, enough with the nostalgic shilling. Let's tear this thing apart. The teardown for this PC is pretty standard fare, so I'll speed up the process as I narrate. As you can see, this PC is built to a small form factor design with a micro ATX motherboard and one PCIe slot for a GPU, empty as usual for a typical budget PC, as well as a couple of PCI slots, 4 RAM slots, some room for hard drives, and this awesome looking cone fan configuration for the CPU cooling. As you can see, there are no chassis fans, so the idea behind the cone is to push all of the heat out of the case via the perforated side panel. I did make a few clear mistakes disassembling this PC, as you will see. For example, instead of removing just the cone and fan assembly for the CPU cooling combo, I should have removed the whole heatsink as well via the mounting set screws, as that would have prevented my injury, as you will see, as well as reducing the likelihood of me damaging the mounting sockets and other components as I struggled to unclip the horn from the Intel heatsink. However, this approach did lead to a very helpful and humorous clip of me showing how to deal with workplace mishaps. Step 1. Clean the wound. Step 2. Apply Star Wars theme bandage. How metal. Step 3. Get back to work. After that brief prelude, I was back to work, removing the remaining components, including RAM, CPU, motherboard, and finally, the hard drive. I then removed the front panel to remove the DVD-ROM drive, and there you have it, a field-stripped Gateway Model DX4822 TAC01. After some well-deserved cleaning, these parts are ready for reassembly, which will be in another video for another time. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on One Text Junk.